Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Lines.
Hello, friends. I am Daniel.
And I am Grace. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, we are very happy. Today, we have a very important lesson.
That is right, Daniel. Today, we will learn how to make a doctor's appointment.
A doctor's appointment. This is very important. Everyone needs to go to the doctor sometimes.
Exactly. When you are sick, you need help. You need to see a doctor. But you cannot just walk in. Usually, you need to call first.
You need to call on the telephone. You need to speak English.
Do not worry. It is easy. We will help you. We will speak slowly. We will use simple words.
Are you ready to learn? Let's start. Part 1. Key vocabulary.
First, let's look at the most important word for today. The word is appointment.
Appointment. This is a big word. Can we say it slowly?
Yes, listen to me. Appointment. Appointment.
Appointment.
An appointment is a time you agree to meet someone. If you want to see the doctor at 9 a.m., you make an appointment for 9 a.m.
Okay, so I call the doctor to get a time. That is an appointment.
Yes. Listeners, please repeat after me. Appointment. Appointment.
Good job. What is the next word, Grace?
The next word is sick. S-I-C-K. Sick.
Sick means you do not feel good.
Yes. Maybe your head hurts. Maybe your stomach hurts. You are sick.
When I am sick, I make an appointment.
Perfect. Listeners, repeat the word. Sick. I am sick.
Very good. Now, let's look at one more word. Office.
The doctor's office. This is the place where the doctor works. You call the office.
Okay, so I am sick. I call the office. I make an appointment.
You are a fast learner, Daniel. That is exactly right.
Okay, Grace, let's imagine. I am sick. I pick up the phone. I call the doctor. Someone answers. What do they say?
Usually, a receptionist answers. The receptionist is the person at the desk. They might say, "Doctor's office, how can I help you?"
Okay, they say, "How can I help you?" What do I say?
You need to be polite. You should say, "I would like to make an appointment."
That is a long sentence. Can we break it down?
Of course. Let's start with "I would like."
I would like. This is a polite way to say I want.
Yes, "I want" is okay, but "I would like" is better. It is very polite.
Listeners, let's practice. Repeat after Grace.
I would like. I would like.
Great. Now, the next part. To make an appointment.
To make an appointment.
Listeners, repeat. To make an appointment.
Now let's put it together. I would like to make an appointment.
That is perfect. Listeners, your turn. Say the whole sentence.
I would like to make an appointment.
Excellent. Is there another way to say this, Grace?
Yes, you can also say, "I need to see a doctor."
That is shorter. I need to see a doctor.
Yes, need means it is important, it is necessary.
Let's practice that one too. Listeners, repeat.
I need to see a doctor.
Very good. So now the receptionist knows what you want.
Part 3. Dates and times.
The next part is about time. The receptionist will ask you, when would you like to come in?
When would you like to come in? This means what time is good for you.
Yes, you need to know your days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
And you need to know morning or afternoon. Morning is before 12 p.m., afternoon is after 12 p.m.
So I can say, is Monday morning okay?
Yes, that is a great question. Is Monday morning okay?
What if the doctor is busy?
The receptionist might say, "No, I'm sorry, we are full."
Oh no, we are full. That means no time is available.
Correct. Then she might offer a different time. She might say, "How about Tuesday at 3 p.m.?"
How about Tuesday? She is suggesting a time.
Yes. If Tuesday is good for you, you say, "Yes, that is fine."
Yes, that is fine, or yes, that works for me.
Listeners, let's practice accepting a time. Imagine the receptionist says, "Can you come at 2 p.m.?" You say, "Yes, that is fine."
Yes, that is fine.
Yes, that is fine.
Good. Now imagine you cannot go. You are busy. You say, no, sorry, I am busy.
Listeners, repeat. "No, sorry, I am busy."
Okay, so we have a time. We have an appointment for Tuesday. What happens next?
The receptionist needs your information. She needs to know who you are. She will ask, "What is your name?"
That is easy. My name is Daniel.
But sometimes names are hard to hear on the phone. She might ask, "Can you spell that?"
Ah, spelling. We need to know the ABCs.
Yes. If my name is Grace, I say Grace.
Listeners, practice spelling your name now. Say your name, then spell it.
Good job. It is very important to speak clearly.
What else do they ask for?
They usually ask for your phone number. She will say, "What is your phone number?"
And you say your number. For example, 5550199.
In English, we usually say the numbers one by one. 5550199.
Sometimes for 0, we say O, like 5550199.
Yes, both are okay. 0 or O.
Listeners, say your phone number out loud now. Practice saying the numbers clearly.
Excellent work today, everyone.
Part 5, Full Conversation Practice. Now, let's put everything together. Let's do a role play.
Great idea. I will be the receptionist. Daniel, you are the patient. You are sick.
Okay, I am sick. I will call you. Ring ring.
Hello, Dr. Smith's office. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like to make an appointment.
Okay, what is the problem?
I do not feel well. I have a headache.
I am sorry to hear that. When would you like to come in?
Is Tuesday morning okay?
Let me check. No, sorry. We are full on Tuesday morning. Can you come in at 4 p.m. on Tuesday?
4 p.m.? Yes, that is fine.
Great. Can I have your name, please?
My name is Daniel. Daniel.
Thank you, Daniel. And your phone number?
It is 555-1234.
Okay, we will see you on Tuesday at 4 p.m.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Wow, that was easy.
Yes, it is just a short conversation.
Listeners, did you understand?
Let's try it one more time. But this time, Daniel, you be the receptionist. I will be the patient.
Okay, I am ready. Ring ring. Medical clinic, how can I help you?
Hello, I need to see a doctor.
Are you sick?
Yes, my stomach hurts.
Okay, can you come in today?
No, I am busy today. Is tomorrow morning available?
Let me look. Yes, I have an opening at 10 a.m.
10 a.m. is perfect.
What is your name?
My name is Grace. Grace.
Okay, Grace. See you tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye. Part 6. Slow practice for listeners.
Now it is your turn to practice. We will say a line and you repeat it. We will go very slowly.
Imagine you're talking on the phone. Ready?
I would like to make an appointment.
Is Monday okay?
I have a bad headache.
Yes, that time is fine.
My phone number is...
Can you spell your name?
You are doing a wonderful job. Speaking on the phone can be scary, but you're doing it.
Yes, confidence is key. Just speak slowly and clearly. Part 7. Review and quiz.
Before we finish, let's review what we learned today.
We learned 3 big things.
Number 1, I would like to make an appointment. Use this to start the call.
Number 2, when are you free? Or is Monday okay? Use this to find a time.
Number 3, can you spell that? Use this for names.
Grace, let's give the listeners a small quiz.
Fun! Okay, I will ask a question. You tell me the answer.
Question 1. If your head hurts, what word do we use? Are you happy or are you sick?
The answer is sick.
Question 2. If the doctor has no time, what does the receptionist say? Does she say we are empty or we are full?
The answer is we are full. It means no appointments are left.
Question 3. What is the polite way to say I want? Is it I would like or give me?
The answer is I would like. Always be polite to the receptionist.
You did great on the quiz.
We are almost done with our episode today.
Making a doctor's appointment is a very useful skill.
Yes, next time you feel sick, do not be afraid. You can call the doctor. You have the English words now.
Remember, you can listen to this podcast again. Repetition helps you learn.
Listen in the car. Listen when you cook. Listen when you walk.
The more you listen, the better you will speak.
Thank you for studying with Daily English Lines.
We are very proud of you. Keep practicing.
In our next episode, we will talk about going to the pharmacy.
Oh, that is good too. After the doctor, you go to the pharmacy for medicine.
Exactly. So please subscribe to our channel.
Have a healthy day, everyone.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Goodbye.